My name is Frederik Larout. I'm the Vice President Aftermarket for Nutrition and Health Solutions. Our parts agreements are designed for customers who don't want to have the day-to-day struggle with finding the right parts, checking deliveries, making sure that the parts are there at the right time. We take that concern away from our customer, so we deliver pre-defined packages of spares right on time, at the right amounts, at the right quality. Customers with production sites on more remote locations often struggle with the logistics around getting the right parts at the right time. The parts agreements are designed according to our customer maintenance plan. By the fact that we are delivering the parts according to the maintenance schedule, we know in advance when parts need to be shipped to get on the customer site at the right time. We're taking that logistic concern from our customer away. We are delivering a peace of mind that they only need to take care about what matters to them most important, that's their production.